Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, welcome. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install your ponytail. Yes, like you can see the way this looks on me, so beautiful. So I'm going to be teaching you how you can do it by yourself from start to finish. So if that interests you, do well to like, comment, subscribe, do all those good stuffs. Engage with me, drop some comment down below. I'm surely going to reply your comment. So let's get into the video. Okay guys, the first thing I did was to brush my hair, and then I'm trying to bring out the edges so I can lay them after I'm done installing the ponytail. So I'm just bringing out little hairs in front, and I'm going to be brushing the rest to the back. So next I'm using this olive oil to just give my hair some shine and moisture. So next I'm using this rubber band to just band the rest of the hair, just like so. Next I'm going in with this eco styling gel. It is the one with the coconut oil. The smell is so good guys, I feel like eating it. And it was so cool on my hair, like it was so sleek and sweet. I'm just going to be taking that all around the hair and also to the back. You want to make sure that you are spreading it evenly. So I decided to go in with this petals gel because I felt like the eco styling gel wasn't really gripping the hair well. I wanted it to lay flat. I wanted it to look really gel down, you understand? So I had to go in with that gel. That gel, I think I got it for maybe 160 naira. It was very cheap. I just picked it at the mall the last time I was there. So I just used that to enhance the eco styling gel. You can see the difference now. It's making it more laid down and better now. Next, I'm using this got to be spray. First, I was a bit skeptical about using this thing because I wasn't sure how it was going to like glue my hair down. The smell was not even, it smells so horribly, like it has one horrible smell like that. But I used it because I wanted the hair to lay really flat and so I could take it out. But he actually did the job and was a really good choice. So next I went in with my scarf to lay down the hair so it can be flat, at least it can dry off before I get the ponytail on. I'll be going ahead to do my makeup. I also filmed the makeup look. I'm going to be dropping the link somewhere around here so you can see the makeup video. Look at my makeup now. Oh, snatched. I'm so pretty. So if you want to see this makeup tutorial, it's right on my channel. I'll also be dropping the link somewhere around here. So basically, I took my ponytail, I oiled it, and then I'm using conditioner on it so it can be smooth and sleek and ready to use. I'm just going to be brushing that all through the hair using my hand. So this is it comes with a grip, 2 grips actually, on both sides, and it comes with another kind of rope to tie it down. So I'm just going to be pinning it to my hair like so. I'm just going to pin the down part to grip my hair down. Trying to grip the one at the back, and I'm going to use dragging this rope. You're gonna see the rope now. I'm just going to use it to tighten the hair basically. Okay, so that's the grip that I'm using to tighten it. It came with the ponytail thing, so you're just going to grip it and tighten it to your hair so it doesn't pull off. Next, I'm using this bobby pin to just for extra security so that it doesn't pull off maybe when I'm out and all that. So I'm just going to pin that into the ponytail and also let it go into my hair. Next, I'm taking a section of the hair, just small section, to go around the hair, just like so, to give it extra security, or just to make it look better, make it look firm and nice. You get the gist. And you guys, look at that beauty. Look at where we came from. Look at where we are now. So next, I'm going in with this hair wax to lay my edges. I'm very, very terrible at laying edges, but I think I did my best here. I'm just trying to pull out the hair and, just laying it down with the wax. I really don't know how to do edges so much, but I tried here. I think I did my best. What do you guys think? And drop a comment down below. So I'm just arranging it with the edges. I'm also going to be using the edge. I'm just so extra, guys. I'm also going to be applying the edges, like the hair wax, I mean, to my hair. Yes, just like that, because I wanted it to just grip. I wanted everything to look sleek and and nice. thing with it got to be again just to lay my edges down because I don't want it scattered. Guys, look at what we have in less than 10 minutes of fixing this ponytail. It's so beautiful. So guys, hope this was helpful. Hope you learned one or two things from this video. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. And don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so you can know whenever I drop a new video. I have so much in stock for you guys. I have fresh new videos that are going to be coming out soon. So you know how you do it now. Don't worry. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and do all those good stuffs. I'm gonna catch you later. Bye.